Welcome back on Luca's World Adventures. Today, I'm not going to film myself at all, so here's a video of the bird feeder and me talking at the background. So you won't see me, but I will be talking in the background. So, let's do this. Plus, this is a Luca's World Adventures, not a Nature News. 3, 2, 1. That's called song sparrow. There's tons of these here. Like, they're probably one of the most common in like all of North America. They're everywhere. Crows. Crows everywhere. Look at that. It's a northern flicker. See, I'm going to focus it. That's called a northern flicker. They are ginormous. It's about the size of the bird feeder. So you know how small a chickadee is. That's how big a northern flicker is. Wow, that's a big bird. Squirrel!